All right, welcome to TDS Online Math. Okay, let's solve this question together. We are given 4 with x plus x equals 8. So solution. Now we have 4x plus x equals 8. All right, now we know it becomes complicated to deal with equation involving radical. Okay, so what we are going to do here is to remove this radical sign here, and the only way out is to square both sides. You can square both sides, and with that the root sign will vanish. Okay, but what I'm going to do is to send x to this side and square both sides. So have this 8 minus x. So I have this one. So let's go ahead as we square both sides. 8 minus x all squared. So if I square this, it will affect this. That will be 16, and also affect this one. So square root of a all squared is a. So we have x. So this side will be 8 squared is 64. So 2 times 8 times x, so minus 16x plus x squared. It means a minus b all squared is the same as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, that's that. So let's arrange this one. Okay, since we are getting a quadratic, so we have x squared minus 16 plus 64. So x squared minus 16x minus 16x plus 64 equal to 0. So let's confirm x squared, this one in minus 16, so minus 16 plus 64. Okay, so we have x squared, so minus 16 is minus 32x plus 64 equal to 0. Okay, so this one is a quadratic equation. So let's compare this one with the general quadratic formula. So ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if we compare this, a equals 1, b equals 32, and c equal to 64. Okay, so we have x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. All right, so let's start by doing the substitution. So let's start from here, minus b. So b is minus, so minus 32 plus or minus. So b squared, so we have 32 squared minus 4 times a1 c 64 on 2 times a, that is 1. All right, so this one will be x minus 32 plus or minus. So we have 32 squared here. So on the calculator, 32 squared be 1024. So we have minus 4 times 64 So that will be 2, 5, 6 equals to 2 times 1. So this side will be 2. So we have minus 32 plus or minus. Now let's subtract. So this side will be 768 on 2. So we have minus 32 plus or minus. Now let's do this one. So 16 times 48, okay, is 768, and we can still break this one. So it will be, okay, so we have 16 times, so this side will be 16 times 3. Okay, so we have with 16 times with 16 times with 3. So this side is 4 and this side is 4 times with 3. 4 for 16. So we have 16 with 3 on 2. Okay, so the same as x equals minus 32 on 2 plus or minus 16 on 2 with 3. Okay, so 2 here, 1, 2, so minus 16, 2 here, 8, so 2, 8, 16, 3. Okay, so it means that the first answer for the since x1 equals to minus 16 plus 8 root 3, and the second one is x2, which is minus 16, sorry, minus 16 minus 8 root 3. So that is solution. Okay, all right. So if you found this video useful, please kindly hit on the subscribe button. Okay, that will help the channel to grow. All right, so let's share, like, yeah. All right, so thanks for watching.